Hey guys, welcome back. So 6 LPA salary sounds amazing, right? But what if I show you the actual breakdown and reveal how much you really get in your bank account? So let's break down the salary of HCL Technologies with real numbers. So this is the the breakdown of senior software engineer, like the fresher who joined as a senior software engineer in band E1, right? So if you are a fresher, this video is a must watch. So let's get started. So let's start it with the monthly salary. So you will be getting, let me zoom in. So you will be getting monthly approx 41k, that is the 41,000, right? And here the basic pay is 15,417. So this is the core component, and everything else depend on this one. Okay, then we have the HRA. So here the HRA is 7,709. So if you live on rent, you can get tax benefits. But I think because this is the 6 LPA, so so no tax is deducted, since as per the new tax regime. So the since from till 12 lakhs you don't have to pay any taxes in India. And then we have the other allowances, like holiday allowance we have. Okay, so then we have the compensatory allowance we have, and the food wallet 2000 we have. So this so you will get approx monthly 41k to 42k. Okay, and so these components are adjustable, and as per the you can define the structure. But I think there is no point, because you don't have to pay any tax, because it's a 6 LPA package. Okay, and annually, this comes to around, if you see here, that is the approx 4 lakh, 5 lakh, approx 5 lakhs, you can say. This is the fixed component. And if I talk about the variable component, and so for PF you will I think 22,200 will be deducted yearly, and this is gratuity. So this is like PF, like this is your salary, your money, but you don't get it now, basically. So just divide this by 12, so this will be deducted each month, basically. Okay, then we have the gratuity, that is approx 9,000, 8,894. So you will get this after only 5 years of service. Then we have the insurance and medical benefits, 10,000. Okay, they are deducting 10,000, so this comes around 41,000, right? And this is the variable pay I was talking about. So here we have the engagement bonus, performance bonus. So this is paid 30,000. So that you can divide by 12, and so you will get into your you can say a monthly, basically. But it's not 100%, so you will get between the range of 70 to 80% or 90%. Then we have the performance bonus, that is 36,000. So you will get this, I think, at the end of the year, and it depends upon your rating also. Okay, then and here other things are. So this is the total CTC, this comes 6 lakhs, and other is this is your insurance, 3,60,000, term insurance 20 lakhs, I think, or 20 crore or 2 crore. Then yeah, so this is the yeah, so it's 20 lakhs. Then we have the disability cover, so that is also 18 lakhs. Yeah. Okay, so here the thing is, your fixed monthly salary is between 41 or 42k, and there is no tax deduction, only the PF is deducted. Okay, so what is the most, for freshers, they do mistake. If you if you divide the 6 LPA 6 lakhs by 12, so it comes around 50k monthly. So that is the biggest mistake that the freshers do. So people compare CTC instead of in-hand salary. So always check the fixed salary, variable pay, and actual monthly credit amount. Okay. So the final verdict here is 6 LPA is good, but don't be get fooled by the number. So understand the breakdown, and that is what really matters. So if if this video helped you, just hit the like button and subscribe for more real career insights. And thank you.